Hello guys, today I want to share with you a best way that you can practice English and become more confident. So first of all, before starting this video, I want to share with you about the sunlight. You know guys, the sunlight is very strong today, and not just today. It is the summer season, so the heat is very too much, and making my video at this time, it is very difficult for me, but it's not a problem because I'm sitting on my terrace in the shade of the wall. You can see beside me the wall. Okay, so now I am free, and I can make my video. So my topic is how to speak English confidently. And if you are a beginner, so please watch this video very till the end, because this video only for you. And now, have you done your practice? Have you learned tenses? You know how to make sentences. If you know everything, all the things which I told you, then you can speak English confidently. Okay, many people, they are thinking they should join any coaching classes to get confidence, because they don't have environment in our family member, in our home. So they think like these types of, like uh, I should go anywhere, search any partner for just practice and get environment. But please, if you are a learner, so please don't go anywhere, because you can do your practice at home. No need to go anywhere and join any expensive classes just for speaking and becoming a confident. You can speak at your home. You can do everything, and I will share with you everything. Firstly, when I was like a beginner, when I was in my previous day, I could not speak English. And I also thought these types of thinking, I should go anywhere because in my family member, they were not speaking English, and I could not have English environment. So it was very difficult for me. I can say it was very challenging for me, but gradually I realized that this is a language and everyone can speak everywhere. It's no need to go anywhere, no need to search any particular environment. Just you can do practice and speak out. Just speak out. Then you can speak English confidently. So how you can do your practice? What you can do? You should do mirror practice. And have you ever practiced with mirror? If you're not, then please start practice with your mirror. Mirror can help you to become a confident. Okay, because many people, they are thinking, they are keep sharing their dream, their thought, and I want to speak English, I'm learning English, can you help me, and please practice with me. These types of thinking like this. But some of them, they will say yeah, it is okay, and some of them say why you are learning English, our mother tongue is not enough. And some of them, they share their own opinion. English is not our language, we can talk our mother tongue, and in Hindi, these types of thinking. And after that you will regret yourself, why I shared my thoughts with anyone. So please don't share your opinion, your dream with anyone, because after sharing, you will get disappointed from that person. Okay? So please keep it private and learn at your home. Do practice at your home. Don't go anywhere. Don't search any particular environment, any particular space to do practice only. It's a language. Just start speaking in front of the mirror, introduce yourself first. If you know tenses, if you can understand English, if you can read book, then please start practice first with yourself. I am what is your name, and where you are living, these types of introduce yourself first. And after you should explain your daily routine. Okay, first complete these things, then you can go anywhere and talk with them. Otherwise it is not required, because you will get regret, you will get you will feel demotivated. So don't go anywhere. Just make your own environment, like how to make environment, like watching videos, English content, podcast, or uh, by listening, by reading, and by writing. Okay, these all the things make your own environment. Don't go anywhere, start talking with wall, camera, and with tree. Okay, then you will be able to speak confidently. Otherwise, if you keep wondering, if you keep forcing yourself to learn, but you are not doing so, after that you will like give up. So I don't want you will give up. I just want to share my personal opinion. And yeah, it is a true. Okay, it's a true. So don't go anywhere, and afterward you will feel English is very difficult for me, and I should give up. So I don't want you give up. You should learn. I want to you grow in your life, in your future, and maybe you will speak in your future day. Please do by consistency. Consistency, it is very important for improving anything, not just English language. Okay, you can do everything if you do by consistency. It is a language, it's a very beautiful language, and if you go anywhere, so this language will help you a lot. Okay, so learn by yourself. Don't pressurize to yourself. I'm not able to speak English, my background was Hindi medium, or like these types of thinking. Okay, don't think too much. Thinking too much, it is very like a dangerous for our mental health. Okay, so firstly, become mentally strong. And when you're able to speak English confidently, then you should go anywhere and talk with your friends. When you're able to give answer them, then you can share your dream. So firstly, improve yourself. Don't go anywhere. And most important thing which I would like to share with you, which is reading book. Okay, firstly start reading book, because reading books help you to make sentences, help you to learn vocabulary, and help you to describing anything. Okay, so start learning books, and after that start explaining in your own words. Use your own tongue, your own mouth, and like everything you should start explaining. At least explain, at least start explaining into the mirror, and it is very help you a lot. Okay, so please start like this way. This is a best way, and I prefer to learn this way for any beginner. If you are a beginner and if you are unable to speak English, then use this way, and after some day, after some months, not day, after some months, you will become a confident English speaker. Okay, so please start doing like this way, and I hope you understand everything whatever I shared with you, and everything I shared, like I tried my best to explain. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.